In this question, you have been asked to find out the empirical formula for a compound X which contains 32% of A, 20% of B and the remaining percentage of C. First of all, let's find out the number of moles of each of the elements A, B and C present in X by using the percentage of each element. Number of moles of A can be written as the percentage of A divided by its molar mass. The molar mass of A is given as 64. So we can write the number of moles that is equal to 32 divided by 64. It will be equal to 0.5. Similarly, the number of moles of B will be equal to their percentage, that is 20 divided by its molar mass 40. It will be again equal to 0.5. Now, the percentage of C is not given, but it is given that the remaining percentage is C. Now, we can find out the percentage of C, that is subtracting the total percentage of A and B from 100. So, it will be 48%. Now, the number of moles of C is equal to the percentage of C divided by its molar mass 32, and it is equal to 1.5. Now we got the number of moles of A is 0.5, B is 0.5 and C is 1.5. In order to get the empirical formula, we need to convert these fractional values into whole numbers. For this conversion, we are dividing all these values with 0.5. Then we will get the ratio of A is 1, B is 1 and C is 3. So we can write the simplest whole number ratio exists between the elements A, B and C in the compound X is 1:1:3, and we can write the empirical formula, that is ABC3. From these options, option D is the correct one.